What's up, you guys? This is Lee, aka known as MyMixEngineer. In this video, I want to show you guys how you can get some width on your lead vocal. Let's get straight to it. So here I have the lead vocal right here. Let me go to this edit window. So I have my lead vocal here. And first thing first, I want to give a shout out to Raymond Lamont. And the title of the song is Wishing. It is out now on all streaming platforms. Go check it out, you guys. So first thing, what I have, you had your lead vocal, right? When you listen to this lead vocal, you'll hear that it's straight down the middle, right? So take a listen.
Girl, I've been doing my best to not think about you, but it's all I can do. I wanna call, blow you up after I've had a few, but I know that we're through. The thought of you is hitting like a freight train, and every day it just wants to rain.
All right, let's let this delay go down. It's jumping. So what you hear is the vocal. It is straight down the middle, like straight down the middle, which is a great sound. But sometimes you want that nice round vocal, and I want it to sit nicely inside of the mix to add some dimension to it. Especially if you're a type of engineer who can see colors. I mean, see the sound. I'm sorry. When you see the sound, like you can actually place it and understand like your tools. This tool right here, this trick, you're gonna love it. So what I've sent the lead vocal to this bus, 100%, all of it. And I have a Dimension D on here. I use Dimension D 99% of the time to do this trick. You can use Wave Double, it works sometimes. It's another plugin that I can think of off the top of my head. Excuse me, replay, trying to talk to you guys. But I can't think of it right now. But I use this, and I use Dimension D, and I use the mode 4 all the time. Send it, and then watch this. What you're going to hear is the vocal go from narrow to it's going to get super wide. I'm going to bring it back down to make this nice little tight ball. It also will give you some volume too, so it's going to come up and out. If that makes sense, or in your case, it's gonna come up and out. All right, take a listen.
Girl, I've been doing my best to not think about you, but it's all I can do. I wanna call, blow you up after I've had a few, but I know that we're through. The thought of you is hitting like a freight train, and every day it just wants to rain.
All right, that's with the effect on, which is nice. You can hear it. The vocal came up and out, and then I brought it back and made it sit back into the mix. I love the way that sound. You'll hear that on a lot of the records nowadays. Try it out, you guys. I promise you, it's gonna work. All right, so let's take a listen before and after.
Girl, I've been doing my best to not think about you, but it's all I can do. Girl, I've been doing my best to not think about you, but it's all I can do.
Simple as that, you guys. That's how it works. If you like it, leave a comment below. If you got any more ideas of any type of content that you would like, let me know. I'm back. And remember, mixing is an art. Be you. Stay true. I'm out.